Viewers, all is not well within the Delhi Congress, and the trigger is perhaps the party's most visible Delhi candidate, Kanhaiya Kumar. Now, just yesterday, 2 days before Delhi goes to the polls, Rahul Gandhi was in the Northeast Delhi seat to rally support for Kanhaiya, traveling with him in the Delhi metro, trying to connect with the voters. However, there seems to be a disconnect within the party itself. Now, Times Now has learnt from insiders that the local leaders of the Delhi Congress viewers are unhappy with Kanhaiya Kumar. Those within the Delhi Congress's Northeast constituency say that during campaigning, Kanhaiya Kumar did not acknowledge the leaders of his own party, instead choosing to campaign with the ground workers of the Aam Aadmi Party and the student wing of the JNU. Sources also say that the Congress High Command has also given instructions to the state unit to focus more on Kanhaiya's constituency, leaving them wondering why this special treatment has been reserved for one particular constituency. Remember, the Congress is contesting 3 out of 7 seats in Delhi, where it is in alliance with the Aam Aadmi Party.
कुछ लोगों की तरफ से कंप्लेंट भी की गई है कि बताया नहीं जाता है कांग्रेस मेंबर्स को कन्हैया कुमार की तरफ से कि कहाँ कैंपेनिंग हो रही है। कांग्रेस इतना कनेक्ट नहीं कर पा रही है जितना आम आदमी पार्टी और जेएनयू के जो स्टूडेंट लीडर्स है वो दिखाई दे रहे हैं।
देखिए मैम, ये कहीं ना कहीं बात तक मैं आपकी बात से इत्तेफाक रखता हूँ कि कहीं ना कहीं जो क्षेत्र के लोकल लोग हैं उन्हें जानकारियाँ कम दी जाती हैं और लोकल लोग कम निकल रहे हैं। जो मैं कहना चाहता हूँ अपने लीडर्स से कि लोकल लोग ही वोट दिला सकते हैं। जेएनयू के छात्र या कोई बिहार से आए हुए लोग हमें वोट नहीं दिला नहीं सकते। आप लोकल चेहरे को आगे कर वोट मांग सकते हैं, आप जेएनयू के नाम पे वोट नहीं मांग सकते।
मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि कन्हैया साहब, कांग्रेस के नाते आपको लोग समर्थन कर रहे हैं, आपको समर्थन दे रहे हैं कांग्रेस के नाते, क्योंकि गठबंधन के नाते मुल्क के लिए चाहते हैं लोग। लेकिन आपको ये चीज़ हटानी पड़ेगी। आप जीतेंगे, लेकिन जीतने के बाद भी अगर आपने यही रखा कि इर्द गिर्द अपने लोगों को रखा, मिलने नहीं दिया, वर्कर को काम के लिए लोगों को करीब आने नहीं दिया, तो बड़ा मुश्किल हो जाएगा।
Shivani Sharma joins us. Shivani, how badly is this likely to hurt the Congress in the elections in Delhi, the Lok Sabha elections? Because we've seen over the last few weeks the entire Delhi Congress unit essentially fall apart.
See, Ankit, when the name of Kanhaiya Kumar was chosen, there was a lot of discontent among the party workers and also the leaders of the party. And you remember Arvinder Singh Lovely, the state head of Congress, who had left the Congress party, and he had cited one of the reasons for his leaving the party as Kanhaiya being chosen as the candidate from Northeast Delhi. And now when the campaign is on, we see that there's a lot of disconnect among the party workers. They are complaining that they are not being informed about his campaign, his road shows, and more of the JNU people are there with the candidate Kanhaiya Kumar. And Kanhaiya Kumar, who's also known for his speech in JNU and the kind of Tukre movement he was taking on. So a lot of discontent among the party, and also complaints now coming in that the party workers are not being informed more than the Congress workers. There are AAP workers in Kanhaiya's campaigns. There are more JNU people in the campaign. So this is the kind of disconnect in Kanhaiya Kumar's campaigns, and we'll have to see what impact it will bring as tomorrow the polling will be there. And later on, what will happen after the elections, that will also be very important to see, because Kanhaiya Kumar's being selected as a candidate was also not welcomed by a lot of people in the party itself, and now it's being very evident in these campaigns too.
Absolutely. Shivani, do stay with us. Our colleague Niyamika has also reported on the story. Let's see what she uncovered.
Once again, the Northeast constituency has become a talking point within the state unit. This time, the local leadership of the Northeast constituency is quite unhappy with the manner in which Kanhaiya Kumar is holding his campaign. Many of the leaders within the Northeast constituency have made a complaint and alleged that they are not being preferred by Kanhaiya Kumar during the campaigning, and he is more focused upon the Aam Aadmi Party leaders or the JNU student wing. Not just this, in fact, they have also alleged that whenever they try to make contact or even to meet Kanhaiya Kumar, they are unable to do so because the people who are surrounding Kanhaiya Kumar are not a part of the Congress party. While on one side, when these local leaders are quite upset with their candidate, on the other side, sources have informed Times Now that the party high command is taking personal interest in Kanhaiya Kumar's constituency, and it is being asked to the local leadership to be focused in the campaigning for the Northeast constituency in support of Kanhaiya Kumar. However, whether this internal rift within the Delhi Congress is going to impact on the Congress party's performance or not, that will be decided on May 25th.